everyone. Well, I've noticed that as we were using this new Ko-fi platform, that as some people go through to make their purchase or donation, it ends up being incomplete, and I'm suspecting that's because PayPal isn't an option. And so if you would like to use PayPal, here's how you do it. You go into your PayPal app. This is the web version. And then you can click on send. And then you can type in the email that I use for PayPal now. It is AprillianDolls, at gmail.com. And then you can put in the amount. Let's say it was something that was for $20. And then this section right here where it says, what is it for? Go ahead and write down what thing it was that you wanted to purchase right here, so I'll be able to get a note about it. And then there's a button down below here that you can click next. And then you can choose how you want to do it. This way we'll do it with no fees for anybody, so it's up to you what you want to use. And then click continue again. And then right there it will go through the process again. The thing is, like right now it's trying to send it to myself, so it's having a problem with that. Okay, see like that? But anyway, when you do it, there won't be that problem. So if PayPal works easier for you, that is how you do it, and that is the email address to use. Anyway, thanks so much for your support, and I'm glad to give you some great deals on some fun sculpting tutorials. Thanks so much.